In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram reel in Canva. We'll keep this quick, clear, and focused so you can start designing confidently in just a few minutes. Begin on the main Canva dashboard. This is your home base where all your designs and tools live. Look toward the top left corner and click the plus sign to create a design. This opens a search field that helps you find the exact format you need without guessing sizes or layout. Type the word Instagram into the search bar. You'll see several options, but the one you want is labeled Instagram Reel. It's the vertical format sized at 1080 by 1920 pixels. Choosing this preset is important because it gives you the perfect 9:16 aspect ratio that fits a phone screen, avoiding awkward cropping or black bars later. Once you select Instagram Reel, Canva opens an empty vertical canvas. Think of this as your stage. On the left, you'll see tools for templates, media, text, and elements. You can stay as simple or as stylized as you like. If you have your own clips or images, bring them in and place them on the canvas. If you prefer a head start, explore templates designed specifically for Reels. They're structured for vertical viewing and often come with engaging layouts and text animations that you can adjust to match your content. As you edit, keep a few best practices in mind. Keep key text and visuals away from the very top and bottom edges where Instagram's interface can cover them. Aim for good contrast so captions are readable over video. Use short, punchy lines of text to guide your viewer, and consider a strong opening visual to hook attention in the first couple of seconds. If you add multiple scenes, think about pacing. Quick cuts and simple transitions keep energy high, while clean layouts help your message land clearly. Audio and color can elevate your design. Coordinated colors make your reel feel cohesive, while music or voiceovers can set the tone. You can adjust timing on clips and text so everything syncs nicely. Don't worry about perfection on the first try. Canva auto-saves as you go, so you can tweak freely. And that's it. From the dashboard to the Instagram Reel canvas, you now have the exact format and a clean workspace ready for your creativity. Take your time experimenting on this vertical canvas and build a reel that's clear, on brand, and made to capture attention.